Yes, hello people, I believe you're doing great and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab.
In close conjunction with previous upload, this sitting deals comprehensively with the conception of federalism or principle of federalism. In this lecture, we will understand the basic underpinnings of federalism as a system of government and a political arrangement to govern a society or a nation state. Also, we will bring into discussion the rudimentary conditions required for federalism to prosper and flourish. Further, federalism from Pakistan's perspective in the light of prevailing situation, headwinds associated with federalism in Pakistan, and ramifications emanating out of stunted growth of federalism in Pakistan are some of the areas we shall be discussing in this very sitting. Finally, we will conclude this lecture with a host of policy matters as to how the officialdom in Pakistan may well be in a position to navigate the crisis situation and make a path clear for federalism and democracy to evolve more sustainably.